so shamra na watchaba pa ho semadu emienu pepepe emra so sa yede fabɛwɔso brɛw na jaba wadwa me pese mbusa asem we mabusa pen mese busa dem pantina yem pani for obi ayare opeso hospital wa brochiri menim so obi wa ansa ebia me bie phone line na obenya ansa ma me dem pantina yem pani for obi ayare a opeso hospital wa brochiri me ansa na say Ghana hospitals ni yefun ministers na wo mpe ya president wo mpe ya vice president afoforo ni adada wo mpe because hospitals na omudi dwan ya sum so omasi no enya papa wo anka so omunim de enti no matu me ansa no anti one person obekọ hospital say enuro na wo kraba no nuro ni nya papa health insurance nuroi wo ko hospital ni yede mawa wo ba numa yare yade nko ofafo no okra pere ye brain edro ba ko dum ya 3 days no atiapo endro ni nya enti hospital na ka se siwa no emfa ene edro na ka se yede ma no so honum no so nya papa doctor and nurse no to na kasa kura na ba mabu enti enye hwe papa bia na o hwe sa enti sa kwakole buru hwe ya si shame private hospital cause aban facility no timu no onye duru mu pa na ba mabu but we share on the private hospital ho dia na ho de na ba no watimi ahwe sa na agronte enti yeti kroimo wo de hwe the rate at which minister BP Kosro abroche ko checking BP wa brochire se wudru airport pa na wo hia no mbebrebe asa mo conference wo bochenku asa tetena ye tena bom didi wa kurase no ye twafofo na bom na obi aton na wa tibi wo hia mbebrebe wa airport wa asa chenku adidie wo be sha wo me ko check up oh here ko check up ni ye Ghana ha enye because hospital na wo ho no enya papa etoda kwale bukura wa wonim se wo malaria pa ya be kwa your lab test ho ya say negative enso kwa fa ho akọ private laboratory be kwa ya say malaria wo ye hospitals aye wono enye enro na yede ma ye no hospital ho na mu no uba numa bani baba ho so na dan person ena Nigerian Food and Drugs Authority edi bia betum se enuru ahodo agu krom ha nkrofo nom no enuru na nkrofo nom no wo mo wone ye can you imagine wo be wone me wo na ye wasede se obehwe se duro ne ma system ne mu no wa ma duro na ba system ne mu awie na afa na wo be wone me se ma me nom na me ye duro kata wo ye kuta we fresh o 19th June 2018 ya bring your camera, capture. Na 19th June NC 2018. Yes, sisi hospitals ni bebre. Ena oba coordinate ho na hoafu cause ewia na kwa hade. Hospitals ni bebre wo ho yes sisi ye wie. Ye Frebi Polyclinic, ye Frebi Clinic, ye Frebi Hospital, ye Frebi District Hospital, ye Frebi dian. Oba coordinate ho na hwinim. That's yay. Where a inter-office memorandum to head CIMU or Ministry of Health through the acting director from Deputy Director CED and Omkwape Director General Ghana Health Service, Deputy Director Estate Management Department, subject in a year. Brief on health facilities constructed under the road project by Ministry of Roads and Highways. Dated 19th June 2018. TI. From 2010, the Ministry of Roads and Highways implemented 3 integrated road projects. The projects were Awoshi Pokwasi Road, 2010 to 2015. Sola Fufuso Road Project 2013 to 2015, and the Kaswa Interchange Project 2014 to 2017. Included in these projects were the construction of health facilities, markets, and schools. The above listed project delivered health facilities are at the following locations: Ofanko Polyclinic at Asofa in Ganorth Municipal. 2. Anya Health Center in Gan Central Municipal. 3. Accident Emergency Center at Amasaman Hospital, Gan West Municipal. 4. Kaswa Polyclinic at Kaswa Ewutu Senya East Municipal. Number 5. 5 staff houses, Solar Polyclinic at Solar Tuna Kalba District. Number 6. Rehabilitation of sections of Damango Hospital in West Gonja districts. 7. Health Center at Gentilpe in Solar Tuna Kalba districts. 8. Health Center at Grupe in Solar Tuna Kalba districts. 9. Health Center at Nasonyiri in Solar Tuna Kalba districts. 10. Health Center at Kabampe in West Gonja district. And 11. Health Center at Larbanga in West Gonja district. All these health facilities were not provided with equipment. The sizes of Kaswa Polyclinic and Ofanko Polyclinic, though they were referred to as polyclinics, are not in order of standard polyclinic as per the Ghana Health Service concept. They are actually hospitals. They are actually hospitals, but lacks the required functional flow for hospital. They also lack the full complement of departments and units of a standard district hospital under the Ministry of Health and the Ghana Health Service. The hospital at Kaswa and the accident center at Abasama were not completed and will need some additional works to complete them. Similarly, the Ofanko Hospital would also require additional land for the construction of additional departments and facilities to make a fully functional hospital. The current problems preventing the use of the facilities are as follows. 1. Lack of equipment for service delivery. Lack of equipment. Lack of equipment. 2. Lack of furniture, tables and chairs. Lack of furniture, tables and chairs into bracketing. Number 3. Initial consumable drugs and non-drugs. 4. Financial clearance for the recruitment of requisite staff for the new facilities. 5. Funds to carry out remedial works to improve the functional flow to facilitate clinical service delivery. 6. Start-up funds and consumables. Medisiha. Feedback from District Director of Health Services in the district concerned indicated that they were given the keys to the building without the accompanying engineering drawings and the necessary documentations accompanying handing over of infrastructure projects. It is therefore recommended that 1. The Honorable Minister of Health write officially to the Ministry of Roads and Highways to request for a full brief on the project and health facilities. This will enable the Ministry of Health and the Ghana Health Service to continue from where they ended. Number 2, the Ministry of Roads and Highways should hand over all the engineering drawings and as-built drawings to the Ministry of Health. Okay, estimated asani na answer. Efi 2010 abanya ohone ye na dwen se obeya kwan na awo shipoko ase kwan se ye beya de a ene contract na aban kosan ye no esese yesi edwa any schools eka ho na ye de hospitals eka ho enti contract na ya gire se ye awo shipoko ase kwan no sa kwan na ye no emfasode abaako eka ho contract ni mu se 1 ye besi school, 2 ye besi hospital, 3 ye besi edwa wo ana fei eye sola fufu so akwan no so saa ana fei Kaswa interchange race no so saa nyame adom ana yetimi asi emu hospitals makum dubaako yɛsi awie ɛna yɛnkom yɛntimi nkɔ dan no mu o ɛmfa nkɔyɛ adwuma sɛ yɛ hospital enti wote hɔ saa na obi papa a wanya 17 years yɛsi ɔdakam na yɛpɛ hospital bed de ama no yɛnya baabi mfa de nkɔ tia de papa de bɛkyia 5 hospitals no hospital bed na yɛsi hospital no mu ayɛ ma enti ne wawu meanwhile there's a hospital sitting somewhere yɛmfa mpa kora nkɔgum na nipa kɔtenam na papa no wawu na sɔfo kɔyɛ asɔre a na wasan bɛda da ɛsɛ nyame na de ma nyame na agye ɛnyɛ saa na nyame gye adeɛ ɛnyɛ saa o ɛna nyankopɔn ɔgye adeɛ firi nipa nsɛm ɛyɛ adwembɔne ne bɛyie ɛna yɛyɛ saa ɛnyɛ saa na nyame gye nipa nkwa cause woyɛ mfomso a wobɛwu ɛno mfiri nyame woyɛ mfomso a wobɛwu woahunu nyansa a wobɛwu ɛnti wobɛhu sɛ yɛde nipa nam pemfoɔ da kam ne yɛde ne kyin ade ɛsɛ wɔɔde hɔ ayɛ ma yɛnyɛ baabi mfa ne nto nti wobɛkɔre na ɔbaa wawo ntafoɔ na ɔne nkwadaa ne gu fam wabrɛ pneumonia bɛtumi ayɛ wɔ mo meanwhile you see 11 health facilities reason ti a yɛsi yɛnkɔ mu ne sɛ yɛde safoa ne ma district director of health no yɛmfa dan no drawing anka ho drawing na yɛde see dan no design na yɛde see dan no yɛnkɔm that is one of the major reasons. Feedback from the district director of health services in the district concerned indicated that they were not given the keys when they were given the keys to the building without the accompanying engineering drawings. It's a tiny day, you but drawing say, and count your friend one about district director of health. No, a building engineer. And no, young farmer and count and to be anywhere or dining. The next point I see here kwada eni mu ne jan kom ne say any equipment na equipment yento enti you wasted several millions of dollars and you see hospitals across this country na see yenya equipment enkogumuti akan wuram okwa fanko ho de ya mfuturo boni say ton park bi kura da ho ya bobo ne de bobodan yi ho saa na edan ni si ho na say all because you say yenya equipment emfa nkogum equipment yento sa ministry bit me bob besia de kwato ticket ma minister ministry se woni sika o watimi bob besia e de kwato plane ticket e ma minister kwa check up ya yare o ya yare bruta but yenya hunu nyansa mobesia emfa nto equipment ngum fa ngini pankwa ya timi ya kwaje besia $22.5 million say de kwato car MP honorable bagbe ko parliament bubu mfie dan mfie nan chese mfie nan bia bagbe benya ka chairman sabo su benya ka enti kan Land Cruisers aba bagbe enya na kan Land Cruisers chairman sabo su enya every 4 years on baje Land Cruiser enti yehuni nyansa akɔbɔ besia $22.5 million ade kɔtɔ car ade amampi but yenya yakɔto aba ema wɔno sase yɛ kwinti yentimi nkɔbɔ besia ne bi mfa ntɔ equipment ngu hospital ho na me yare amakobi on de yare obɛkɔ abrochira kɔsa ne ho yade. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Mame nkɔ ahoma no so na answer na no opani Nusa Fuseni Samra no na Minister of Roads and Highways yare ne bon komo na yemfa na no do sem no de okaye no yemmo na tie na me ba mesa soja na gu so bia chida ni omu yenim ba o keka wani chire hwese na ma ato afa ho e de here that facility no na 20 kilometers of roads around that area. Okay, as a polyclinic and a hospital around that area. Now, as a
school Islamic school wo ne Islamic school no foforo na asaya a point about 20 or more kilometers at the copy Bojuasio. And the apart from doing the interchange, and interchanges because now there are 3 bridges. Main one any Kaswa, the all Kaswa, never Iron City, never also the immediately after the Iron City. And there are 3 interchanges, but the middle one was at the Nyanyano area. No, and that was a component. Now the African Development Bank facility. The African Development Bank facility, along the corridor, there was a clinic at Wale, or I think Wale, and baby, former president, on the Maluka, baby, Busuno, any schools were quite so the Mongo school, not school, or a school, and then a water treatment plant for to supply water to the area. You could be a water treatment plant, as our share not processing industry, or more yes, share not the brain. As our share not processing industry. Now, quite be not structures into yes, 6 classroom blocks, and 3 classroom blocks, including teachers' residence, Emma or more and so. And the African Development Facility and now whole scale development of the corridor to ensure that we just don't deliver a road, we deliver the infrastructure as well to the people living along that corridor.
Okay.
The same thing, Pokwasi Road, no, and Amasama Pokwasi Road, no. The same thing, you deliver a story building to a school around that area. It's deliver a sewer. We connected many households to potable drinking water. The boreholes was our corridor also. A clinic, an polyclinic was that area no of Onko clinic. Okay, a part of the project. And it's crossing footbridge was our area no so as part of the delivery of the project.
Okay, into Bessia fan 1 by 1. Young Neodi D Cano, Kaswa interchange, now the D Cano. Musi Nedi Cano, Musi from Polyclinic Kaswa, a Wutu Singer, East Honeymoon. Okay, Honeymusi Polyclinic, and then the focus on the polyclinic. And the polyclinic, no, a costo saying, now, what were the facilities that were supposed to come alongside with it?
Ministry of the government actually.
That's okay. That is fair.
The specific cost of the polyclinic.
That is fair.
But the project, they were to deliver certain components of the infrastructure. So, infrastructure. So you see, polyclinic. So we will deliver the polyclinic, and our company ever deliver polyclinic, deliver school, deliver the 20 kilometers of roads, a bridge to connect some 2 areas in the area because not 2 areas because of the river crossing area that bridge the part of the project was to do that bridge as well. The project would have been handed over. The Ministry of Roads and Highways will hand over the project to the Ministry of Health for them to operate. Just like ensure the connecting of Hong Kong. The connecting they say Ghana Water and Sewage Corporation, but installing meters on the water so that we will see now using sewer now. What you through the Ghana Water and Sewage
Company. Okay. And a accident emergency center at Amasama Hospital, no say Ghana West. And you see
yes.
Okay.
It's here as part of the project. Because project one likely consequence of a good road and it's accidents but see. So accidents here, what do? You rush them instead of rushing them to 37 or Kolebu. You have the accident center just there to take care of them, give them the first emergency treatment before they are transferred to the referral hospitals.
Anthony, if I should get you well, and I say, all these facilities are moving completing now.
I for Kasua still work construction when NDC lost power. And the car on the concluding part, whether we are hand over. Because I did every Kasua for which I was part interchange. But not on 1 year we schools any hospital and the 20 kilometers of road around the area no more we
let's say hospitals and polyclinics you personally handed over to Ghana Health Service and I say be one handing over because of the time you exited power. The solar road handing over. The Amasama of Onko road handing over to Ghana Health Service.
Yes, the project was handed over. The project was handed over by the contractors, and ministry informed the Ghana Health Service about the existence of the project.
So not any contract and responsibility say or the equipment be good name the Ghana government.
Even at the Onko the government had informed us that Omwakra equipment, ABBA, and so in due course to populate the emergency center and the polyclinic with equipment to operate.
That's what I said. Me hear memo be am site here ministry one. I said the current problems preventing the use of the health facilities are as follows: lack of equipment for service delivery, lack of furniture, both medical and non-medical furniture for staff and patients, initial consumables, that's drugs and non-drugs,
yes,
financial clearance for the recruitment of requisite staff, yes, funds to carry out the remedial work, and then startup fund. Into which I will say, of Anka Polyclinics, for instance, at Asofano, supply and installation of medical equipment, that's we are talking about 6.5 million Ghana cedis.
Yeah, now the project itself had counterpart funding. So now a buying Nejuma. So a buying the Ebema is a contractor until clearance. And now African Development Bank. So these were things that are buying by year to operationalize the clinics. Say a buy and yes, I didn't know. You don't blame the African Development Bank or the contractor for building you a clinic.
So that it is the failure on the part of government. Say, Oman, Fasa needed facilities and
hospital. Clear and simple. Who call African Development Bank? I could convince you almost say 1 year sika every year a coin. But a coin is 1% when you use old strategy. 1% when you use new strategy. And new strategy you say, yes, a coin over fatu keke. 1% the amount per equino, they have some benefits. Into why social interventions are into social interventions no. Almost play so. I can say okay, you remember sika, my why social interventions no. Why we facilities no? Why not populated facilities no? Why not operationalized facilities no? Yeah, buying. So that's the failure of government. No, it's not the failure of ADB. So government ought to give financial clearance. Government ought to come out with money to put infrastructure in the hospital and operationalize same. That is what it means. You say no. MPP are buying at the Sobo Bomo say
hospital no mu gya hono a manto equipment bia amfamum and I empty any CCC one.
Oh, yeah, and over the project in 2016. Okay? Project 2016, the project no be handy over. 2016, no NDC every abide so. You have just read to me a memo from the Ministry of Health, a Ghana Health Service, saying that a hospital in Juma. These are the things they need. Hospital the presence of the hospital. And Abai will have to come out with money to ensure that equipment the hospital in here. They will put the equipment in place for Adeno the equipment to work. You don't expect the African Development Bank to populate the equipment. Say Omama coin. Who can say Omonfa Kasam Beko coin so on? And now Omama hospital. Who can say Omodu Kutu doctors no? No, you don't expect that. Government itself has responsibility.
And you know, former Minister of Roads and Highways, Honorable Inusa Fusenina, what he said, you know, my producer, and then a bon common. As some is simple. And now, I want to equipment and go on swab to where they are finished. And see, I didn't know, and yeah, buying a coin and dear way, gun and the idea. Contract and they say, obey your queen, mammy, mamma contract, but answer no obey your queen, mammy, no crana, mamma contract number 2 cano. See hospital, mammy, what's here? Yeah, in your part, a woman is yet the medical equipment, a big goon. Now, yeah, Juba, it's simple. Baby, our club have the Bissian and I don't know where the end to be Fabian. Then it means that Ghana has not gone beyond the age. Well, it means that we have not gone beyond it. And it's to be the medical equipment to bring aid, Yabaja and Ayanji. Hey, Yabaja and Ayanji. Yes, in Konya, taboo in the chat, taboo, taboo. Apronia Konya Biniho. Akonya Keke, Apono, taboo. And we pride ourselves. But I reho. What about me? Kwa so. Nana sefa awa masama hospital. Nana training for ni Miami uncle.
Captain, say, over say okwa masama government hospital. Na se ofi Accra. Obe mane. Unsa binkum so na che wafa fire service anymore. Now do district assembly na hospital no. On left. Na se ura binkum so na. Run about kitwe bi wo ho. Straightforward, not just over OPD, right, administration, left, not just a dental care unit, and it's here. Now, then, a be a X-ray, and a mucha or a similar X-ray, let you know. A diver could see why I know what to say, 2-bedroom self-contained. I just on my painting fit and I say cream color, and on my painting I see any green. Now, a chance any see a green. Now, share entrance now, offer to a room, a honor, a glass. Now, the paper, my printed paper, my also accident and emergency unit. Now, a honura, I know how no bench BC, comfort naso. Who Roman Casabon said benches are the call Roman hospitals. I am benches, this only be I say, I could not dimia be more torturing BCC. Now, Mira honor, to maybe Uncle so on our show how to say a honey baby, ye be war. Next, Niba Cotono or Shatari Green. Any fita a chessel and nurse in the design say a honey accident emergency unit and our chum say oh only baby a friend accident and emergency unit but only say emergency unit and no entrance back one room accident and emergency unit baby on my printed paper na parent I accident and emergency unit left her and I'll be PM straight but straight entrance or ya lock into a chum says meet me emergency unit PA na makofa X-ray no ehun one san me emergency unit second one na dan a o hwe no so no ma paint no white and green ura mu tenten wasa ko pie emfinfini ho no ma ente sa abankwa mu e hoda ho playing abankwa mu hota no hu se bed a asɛ ne wheelchair ba ko bi asɛ ene sisi ho a manitua sisi a na inside na emergency unit a obi a be send bi oda te ho no ni room ho because to send crofo gu empa so a obi wo ho a ye de oxygen so a ahoma bi bia ne hana no saa omom de dampa so anso sisi so om so wo but ho ene obi twem say ho ne accident emergency unit no eno saa dan no hwa a dan ka so musi na bansoro afie no oma paint no cream and green and white green pepe na esoro no ma floor iron rods etuatua so a echese into aso bi wo and afi baby a be fast step no so afra ko soro ho no so wo ho na esoro ho no oma bo isan say omon person so be to good steps ni so ntino say ya pusi dan na so person be to good so a usi dan ki tuwe bi no abo so nchense na no so wo ho sa na baby a ye de paper abo se accident and emergency unit ni de metumi akase enye adwuma because eden wo ho nyina no matotum a entrance ba ko kra bi pia from akose no eho yatum
na se dan ni si ho no yatotum
edan ni de si ho kama fefe pa but yatum enye adwuma
meda say nana sefa Mubarak Yakubu ewo Ofanko Polyclinic Yakubu 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 Fa kwa sofa
Oje chiatu na we pe wo asofa ye ufi opanko na se oba asofa papa no ufi opanko na se oba asofa udru ya dru Gwel filling station obe mane e wo left hand side ohomo e na obe mane na se obe pe mu e wo ha dan you are painting a cream color and I feel so green e form na ne te ne say e the hospital ya see hey nwura pa kafa ho pa na e se wani e sa
nya bo trama me to boss Yakubu yesi awie
nana ba jo say
yesi awie
yesi dan na wi aye complete pa na utumi za dan ejina na so aye fe yi pa na metutu mani air condition bi abɔ ho light nyina poly tanks nyina simu na dan utumi sɛ ɛwɔ sɛ etimi yɛ adwuma nanso ɛdan akasi enwura mu a enwura na afu mu aburo nyina afifiri ho agye sɛ nkrɔfo so dan no ho edua ɔmafu na air conditions ne bebre na agye sɛ akrɔmfo ɛne ne kaka ho ɛsane sɛ yentu ɛdan no gate main gate ne sane sɛ yentu mu nti no ama akrɔmfo ebowuro mu ekotutu air conditions ɛbɔ ɛdan no ho ɛne ne kaka na mmom ambedru ha me bo den ma hwese obi be pam me aka say abrante okoye den o den mi wura mu no mama bi e na twefre me say abrante na opeden ha na me ka say me firi Adom FM na mama na nkasa wa ha na me say ono e na dan security say ne dan e ben hospital ni ona dan security o dan no ha ona nkasa e bo ho ba mama ye makwa baba Adom FM so
yo mejo so ni wura
mama me say wo de wo ha fa wo ye security ha o
me say dan ye security wa ha na emum nam say me ben hospital nti ya nkrofo wura mu ya hu sa konfon so aba ho no nti say me tia no na so obi a be wura mu a I was say me tumi question nipa no me question na me hwe na say nye yi a me wa posifo number na was say me fra posifo na omo be question wo tu bi
mama wo de wo ha niema wo dan num
oh niema wo dan num metia ya me wo say niema de ebi wo dan nim niema wo dan nim
na akofo no to fa niema ben na wo hwa mo be wiawie fe dan no
oh me de niema na say o mo be to air condition wo dan na ho niema nim say o mo be wi air condition
na dan security ni ho
oh ba ko pe na da ho na ono oba nyumre
okay
oba nyumre
all right tam ya da sintin je se na mankasa metutu mani e fa dan no ho ekokenkan air conditions am tututu na air conditions no be 48 na mom 17 na mo to afiri ho air conditions 17
nyabota mame nyabota to boas na kana nyede air conditions na ho no ye 40 say 48
ena ewa ha na mum amatu maku 17 ena funu esan the security enya tight ewa ha ntino ma air condition 17 ena matu
enti yan kasa yenya huhu nyansa se ye be yusu ya de enti wo mo air condition so tutuko
omo be tutu ni nyina na ne tie no na arahusam kra wo sa wo ne se dan na dan de ne efe pa na ne tie ne se
o mini ba bia wo
aha mo na ne tie ne se ufi ni ne kaka ni nyina ahase etutu ezane se yenim de nti ni nyina ahase etutu agugu fom a nana eya reho sa Ghana pa na edan sisi wo fefe na nana sebejo
oh Mubarak Kofi eje ewo Kasua Polyclinic Kofi to aso ho maye
Anna almost you know the embedding voice and Yamamo. Jim Alcas once again, the same thing. I don't know what yes to come. That's why I must mean now. I did the doors not to alone. At the completed. I will get down by Commercia administration blog now. And look at all the name of the groom. I name a Gumocho contract. I told me to I need US aid, but someone will to them. Dining one. I don't know you back. I saw the limit like I say, India. I couldn't name how much who now. And I need more on the floor, I need more on the compound. Oh, and I'm going to go to pavement task. But between them, the contract and the Canada. And she always was Jai Eddie to a bear was me in the corpus. And Yadia was it I told him. I can't any more on the floor now. I said, almost to tax. Na they completed the way so to enter hono and unko anaka better than the and an FA you mo winning na complete amount to fence when na for had the fu ama has security for her and nya dia obi atutu enyeman ba said the beya and benefo ba beke no ma tunye bia no na mo de abegu na anet for be adwan eno na aka wa no say because we ka so here hospital for here polyclinic o kwan no as obi see kakra bia nso ene ni pa so ka so no do so do to Ghana come to me when tema and kebet me a German from Copper. Had no movie at to be we at Munatas at the BBR light BBR complete. That kind of thing for the machines that we go no be anona.
And say hold on so ye wow do any shot.
Ye BBR printing come printing a habamono come fa gentry one to the mobile boy see you pharmacy kakapa when chain on the baby business in pharmacy on the BBI completed. I want to cast up on the credible. They want to pick us up. What that police be a farm of Johnson or who call in Kakra and a hospital was there. For a call, what's the Quota at the but or the Ali for Quanya, the Avenue to Tom and the Canadian most standard. I will calling now so correct. But I said the bear before. Again, Ebaso, normal be.
But Asiminia Rebecca Natoma Elwa Sola Tuna Kaba District. Becky, good morning.
Morning.
At the same.
You know, sir.
Yamiadum, Yahoya Pam, Pacho, or hospital hall.
Me hospital hall.
Pacho, ye re.
You really, dear.
Boy, and come on, what to say?
No, a hoye. Emra me consola district hospital no kanena ye polyclinic but emra mo be esi fofra o mo expanding no na edane sola tuna kaba district hospital nti sesi ameno we ka se de eho ye o mai bibia 6.
Well, what was said the entire dynasty one o mo news. Hello Becky.
Hello.
I know you see and I say si hosa.
Omu you see. Nia omu esi na omu you see including polyclinics and I say compounds omu esi e wo kwen so. Health centers ni na omu you see from Solar, Jinsupe, Group A, Laribanga e ho ni omu you see. Now so mra me call Solar Health Center Jinsupe Center no. Na next for more may be a catcher sometimes as a bungalow no said enough for a moment because some more also not some more including the youth employment for no some more would you be entering pay dying until Uncle Stress are buying baby be a common health centers mean now we see what Solar district no meaning now we see and Solar Health Center Solar Hospital Cortex is 5 no so we see no. And also, you see now, so problem or back also. How much is a sweat pa? Any barcode, cottage barcode, this all pack with him a few hole. Send I have shown you a FM.
All right then. Becky me that's it.
You
and Tiabusi, me busao. Ah, na me says he in this war position. One of the MPP war position, woman not dead as a war. What is wrong with us as people? Me catch you. Me catch you. I'll tell you. Because you a car, one see a dahuni no. Hospitals maku edu bako. Akan wuram. Yen usui. Sika ya see ya de beto equipment. Any table. Pono ne akonya. Any hospital equipment yenya ye gina wiemo to aba. Ye yare ya ye be kom ne yate apo. Cause minister de ye de be kwa brochire. 28,325,000 Ghana cedis. 280 billion. And ye de beto kayento. What they call dollar? 6.2 million US dollars. It's had a young woman Sanjay MP Kanato. Common sense should tell you to one Kasawi MP. Now constituents will move because hospitals you are now hospital equipment in table nima into one ferry MP. One ferry. To where when you near flow on nabo near Bojo so won't say near shame, shame. HAPPY, shame, MP, shame. Shame. HAPPY, shame. $22.5 million. Who they could talk at them? Land Cruiser, $182,000. One. Yay. And to one case, we MP, do I approve his SK into one ferry. Me bonya me pass a young tutia muina. Anke free minority leader, no majority leader, no minister of one, no muina, no malusu jam. Next time, what will I be doing? What the $22.5 million you could talk at them? Now, me yari me ko hospital baby, a benya da. Ne yenye drama me asham na $6.2 million. And there, what's who nyansa nya mame? Cause me dia kwa pia ma aboa. Me da me kwada wura binyasa. You see, this is the kind of leaders we have in this country. These are the kind of people we have. They come manka. So, enti hospitals na kan wuram. Enti si wo. Area na aban bia be kwa no aye brochure kakraka. Eh, you see hospital yam wan somebody. Ada na mun kombi. Professor Messi yare ba kwa ne kwa Ghana hospital no wuye. Mebwa. Ne kwa Ghana hospital temdi akwanko. Wawu. Mu ya na mo ti hospital si hospital be no mo si. Aya mun kom. Kobi. Mun kan cha John Mahama onko Ghana hospital. Mun kan cha Nanado onko Ghana hospital. Musuro, mo amunim sa de na mo yesi wana nyenti mun ko. Nyambe tuaka. Betuaka. Enfa 5 callers pe o. 5 they're fresh 5 0302216561 216562 Fabra. Oh, hene kakraka. Oni akrobat one na hwenso. Asa wo de design kakra o. 0302216561 216562 hello, morning.
Morning.
Ebusenko.
Otene.
Adom. Adaji no mpacho kwenta mame. Yeja, yanko.
Pacha from captain, from honorable because of that some of shata.
You.
Pacha. Do mushama mongaza azu chama. Wala obaya. Men ko abrochen ko tare.
Medase. Yanfa frontum. Hello. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, Captain.
Ebushama mintio.
Oh, Baba Katani second it.
Baba Medase.
Yo, Yawana Wanasi. Ejumata Wali Yawan Wagana. Minia, Asamaki, Yakopan, Obesho, Budo. I've been telling Mamaka the Master, the Master of John Mamakai, they use it so ya died of Mama or Iponasa to be real. Abadina, also, and now for the one day, all the work of the project to bring an there. All you can afford. Or you wouldn't pay you, no worse than an alcohol for the mushroom, all but then a flower. But the end, the professional one, 20 or that time, because we get about Ghana. If it's true,
Yamfa for. Hello.
Hello.
Morning.
Good morning.
Pacho mami to you.
Maybe Buckman.
Okay.
Say share Niama Ekoso in the Africa, Ghana. And I say, Yempeni Fono, Fabi, I say, Amon Junior. Share Casa Woka for Land Cruisers. The number of Land Cruisers, you make Krabugum, 74 use. Let me panel one my muna, Yentina, more some sung Mama bed dane gos and I hear some. Na yeni esa mosum yeno yemu yebre o yare utikwa yakọ so anoko ono de o yare a obenya sika akwa bruti nyame hu ye mobo na ondum ye no ma ye mpanifo wonim yansa na watimi yetimi amomai akonini me da se captain so obi so to aso
me so da se hello morning hello
captain
una we me last caller kasana yanko ya for say
Yakub Dombote officer Kaira
okay.
Yeah, Captain, Renipa Modia. Kaka Yakub Dombote meka ne said, Dika menche obia na offense ndrush ye to aba NDC Yakub.
Oh, ne kasam ne yanko.
Yo minia Captain me da pa. Na kaka meka ne say, I say enne abeto ho clear. Say enne hospital ni ade enne hospital kwa ya o mamunyi na kat taxpayer either ye on my hospital and then nipa nam kwa pa yarsa yenya. Na san hospital ne shenwuram na a condition hu ne ma nyina tutu na abaya sabe wo si fa ma tax nya bibia fashion na wo ba sa dumo nyina ba ye enne twede akoso de kan say 2020 na ko fa ndisi John Jamani ma yesa Ghana man ye beto mo bia ginsi ka herbotom
yan fancy akasema ba ko na afei nonkono abo Israel loans